What is going on, everybody? In this video, it's kind of not a Fortnite video or anything really about gaming. I'm just going to be playing in the background, but I want to be talking about how I lost 35 pounds in 4 months. Let's talk about it. But before we do anything, drop a like on the video. Let's get 200 likes. 200 likes, we can do that. Come on, easy. Let me start from the very beginning, okay? But first, let's play some Fortnite. So as we wait here, I want to start out by talking about calorie deficits. And that is honestly the biggest part of weight loss. So at the start of my journey, I weighed 218, maybe 218, 220 pounds. Lots of body fat on me. When I was 14 and 15, I did bulk up, and I was doing it correctly until I got away from the gym and all this blah blah blah. I started eating junk food like McDonald's, blah, all the fast food. By the way, cut out fast food and junk food right away. There's much better foods that you can be eating to stay healthy and lose weight. But first, what you're going to want to do is find a maintenance calculator. A maintenance calculator or a maintenance calorie calculator. A maintenance calorie calculator will tell you what your body needs to maintain the weight that you're currently at. And it will also tell you how many calories you need each day to either gain or lose weight. Honestly, that's the biggest part of losing weight. You can do cardio exercises. I do cardio exercises to speed up the process. But you don't really need to if you don't want it. If you don't like cardio, you could just do strength exercises, but definitely be in the gym, be active. That's really calorie deficits. If you're trying to cut weight, you want to go 500 to 600 calories below what your maintenance calories are. So for example, to maintain weight, to stay the same weight I want to right now, I need 2,900 calories per day. That's what I say. But I want to go to about 2,000 because I'm trying to cut body fat, and yeah, I'm just trying to cut body fat. If you're trying to gain weight, you want to go like 500 to 600 over your maintenance calories. So you'd go like 3,500. But that's obviously not what I'm trying to do in my case. I'm trying to lose weight. I'm trying to lose body fat after letting go of myself for the longest time, which I shouldn't have. But I know some people, I want to make this video because I know some people want to play video games all the time, and that's completely fine. You just got to stay on a calorie deficit if you want to stay healthy while playing video games. He's going to get away. Oh, he didn't get away. Just got dinked mid-air, bro. But like I was saying, I know a lot of people love playing video games, and that's fine. You just got to be on a calorie deficit or maintain the calories you intake each day. You don't even have to do cardio exercise if you don't want. If you want to just maintain the weight you're at, just make sure you're going to a maintenance calories calculator, and seeing what your body needs each day. And if you lose weight, that'll change. If you gain weight, your maintenance calories will change. Jeez, I can't talk today. But basically, I lost 35 pounds in like 4 months because I went below my calorie deficit of what I was supposed to, which it's healthy if you're full and you're getting enough of what you need. You do it, because I'm getting enough of what I need, and I'm at like a 1,500 calorie. No, not 1,500. I'm only taking in 1,500 to 1,700 calories a day plus my cardio exercises. So it's a pretty fast process. My goal, I have not reached my goal yet. My goal is to get to 170, 165, somewhere around there. I need a shotty. I have not found a shotgun yet. But basically, this video is for you to understand that you can play video games every single day if you wanted to. You just got to make sure you're only eating no more than your maintenance calories. Because if you're not getting any exercise and you're playing video games all day long, you can maintain the weight you have right now. You just got to make sure you're only eating your maintenance calories or less. Because if you don't, you're going to gain a lot of weight really fast because you're not getting any exercise and stuff like that. So just a little tip for you guys. I hope you're taking in some information that I tell you. Dang, this loot was crazy. Jeez, man. Absolutely insane loot. All right, now I want to talk a little bit about what cardio exercises you should be doing to burning fat, you know, at a consistent, very fast, kind of rapid rate. So the cardio exercises I like to do are sprints. Sprints are really good, and also burpees, jumping jacks. I do like 10 to 15 sprints for like two or 3 days a week, and then I also run a mile jogging on the treadmill, which is pretty good. If you just do a little jog now and then, you should be fine. You know, just do a little jog now and then, but make sure if you want to lose weight, you eat under your maintenance calories. Dieting is the biggest part of losing weight, guys, I'm telling you. So just make sure you're doing what I told you if you want to lose weight. That's a little bit of research. Also, I want to say don't get these supplements like stuff that says burn weight fast, blah, blah, blah. Because it's all bullcrap. You can't. There's no supplement really that helps you burn body fat. It's all dieting, and they're trying to get you. I would suggest taking creatine. It does add a little bit of water weight to your body, which is good because it makes your muscles look bigger. And also, if you want to lose weight, drink a lot of water. A lot of water is very good for weight loss because it actually speeds up your calorie loss process. And also, don't forget your protein, guys. Protein powder, protein shakes, grilled chicken, all that stuff helps. What just happened? Just lags so hard. But like I was saying, protein powder, stuff like that, it also boosts your calories and keeps your muscles balanced. You don't want to lose your muscles while you're losing fat, okay? So make sure you're in the gym or doing at least like 100 push-ups, and not a night, but every other night. All right, time to get into this fight. I'm probably going to die or something, man. Ah! I got that kill. Oh no! Dang, I did not hear him. I don't have headphones on. I'm not even trying to play good. I'm just trying to give you guys some advice on weight loss. Like I said, I'm not to my goal yet. Not at all. Not really even close. It's gonna take another couple months to get to my goal. Maybe like 2 or 3, maybe 4 months to get there. It's the journey that's the fun part, man. If you start seeing weight just float off of you, honestly the best feeling in the world, because you can breathe better, you can bend down to put your shoes on without having to like that, and like you just get confidence back. That's the biggest part. You just gain a lot of confidence back. Yeah, that's really the video today. I hope you picked up some information. If you didn't, go back and watch it again. Let's get to 200 likes. I'm trying to help you guys out how to play video games and keep the same weight that you have, or lose weight, or gain weight, whatever you're trying to do. That's really all for this video, guys. I hope you picked something up. Also, leave comments down below on what you guys want me to do next. Whether it's informative, story time, tutorials, whatever you want. Peace out, guys.